Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Come back with me, Shofa Aulia F, student of Aerospace Engineering Department at Sucipto College of Technology. In this time, I will presentation and we will learn together concern to task card nose wheel well. Okay, here presentation outline. They are introduction, task card nose wheel, and we will review of task card nose wheel well. Okay, yesterday I was explain about task card, what is task card and what the function of task card. So today we will remember again and review again the task card. Task card is a standard procedure or work that must be done by engineers in aircraft maintenance. In short, task card is work order. Look at here. I have an example of task card. This task card wheel inspection, nose wheel well. Before we deep talk to review the task card nose wheel well, we must know what is nose wheel and what the function of nose wheel. Nose wheel is the main support of the aircraft during parking, taxiing, and landing. Landing gear that uses wheels on the nose of the aircraft is called a nose wheel. Here I have a picture of nose wheel. Next, the function of nose wheel. Number 1. Withstand the weight of the aircraft when on the ground. Withstand impact loss when the plane touches down. Absorb the kinetic energy that occurs relatively with landing velocity. Review task card nose wheel well. Everything done has a goal or has a purpose. Same with the task card. The goals of task card nose wheel well is engineers must do the corrosion prevention on the hydraulic system such as plumbing, clamps, and brackets in nose wheel well area. Next slide. Maintenance on the nose wheel well. Engineers might do the job list. The first, engineers must check all exposed hydraulic tubing, valves, and fitting in the nose wheel well and check for corrosion. Beside it, engineers must pay particular attention to support clamps and surrounding system. Second, engineers must remove corrosion and rework tubing and components as necessary. Perform touch-up of the finish when practical. Third, engineers must apply BMS 323 with a clean cloth wet with the corrosion inhibiting compound. Avoid excessive application. This maintenance will done by engineers with sequentially, because if one thing of this maintenance is lost, the result will not optimal. Next, in the task card, we found the note and the caution. The note for engineers to do is, if any time the nose wheel well is cleaned with a high pressure water and detergents or steam, reapply BMS 323 compound. And the caution for engineers to pay attention that don't apply BMS 323 to silicone rubber, rubber clamp cushion, or skydrol seals. This note and the caution must engineers to pay attention as well as possible. Next slide. Reference corrosion and prevention of this task card is Corrosion Prevention Manual D641918. I just try to find the document of reference in the search engine, but I cannot find. Maybe the document is privacy in aviation area, or maybe has any reason, I don't know. Okay, I have done two presentation about task card nose wheel well. So here I drop my social media links in Telegram, Instagram, and Twitter. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your attention. I hope you all can take advantage from my presentation and you all can contact me for question or concern. Here I drop my email address and my website. Last but not least, I'm sorry for my mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.